Hello guys, welcome back. And the CompTIA has launched the newer version of the Pentest Plus certification. The name is a CompTIA Pentest Plus PT0003. The older version was the CompTIA Pentest PT002. And if anybody want to be start their career in a penetration testing, so he can earn this certificate. For earning this certificate you need to be you need to be do the preparation and pass the exam. So this course is good for you if you want to be get the CompTIA Pentest Plus certification. And in this course I am going to show you, I have started to upgrading these new videos and new data over this course. And the I will change the name for this course is PT003. And continuous I will update the multiple videos, including the activities, including the labs. And like these are the some activities which are provided by the CompTIA Pentest Plus. And some labs will be included, so you will be have the experience of the live lab I have added here in this course, so you will enjoy the lab and the activity will enhance your knowledge. So I hope this course will be helpful you. If you want to be purchase this course, I am giving you the 50% discount over my course. The link is given as well as the code is given here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.